Hello YouTube, this is Kazarm6, and today we are going to learn how to convert an image into an SVG using Adobe Illustrator. And in order to do so, we've prepared an image right here, and we are going to open it using Adobe Illustrator. As you can see, it's a simple image, and we are going to convert it into vectors, and to do so we have to press on image trace. So open the drop down and pick high fidelity photo. If we didn't have this gradient here, we could use the low fidelity photo, but we are going to go ahead and use low fidelity photo in order to show you what's gonna happen. Notice here that it kind of ruined the gradient we had. And so we are going to skip that and go ahead and use the high fidelity photo. See, it's pretty much the same. Then we are going to click on expand. Now it's vectorized, and if we want to make sure it is, go ahead and click on layers, then expand the group we have, and it's a bunch of paths, which means it's vectorized into small parts. If you want to get rid of the background we have here, select this one, which will select the background, and delete it. Now if we want to export this vectorized photo, all we need is to select this right here, then click on layers, asset export, or we can click right away on asset export. Then go ahead and grab this one and drop it right here. Then it's by default on PNG, but we can select the SVG right here, then click on export and select the path you want to export it to. Let's export it on desktop. Now if we check our file, we'll notice it's vectorized, which means it's at its maximum quality. If you like this tutorial, hit the like button and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.